Hello, today I want to show you a mini 3D birdhouse that I have started to make. The process in this video is just really what I've gone through to paint it before I actually start to put it together. In the kit you get 2 sheets of pre-cut shapes that were really easy to press out. There were no rough edges or anything, so straight away I was really impressed with the quality of the kit. And I was just going to paint it with some Hobbycraft acrylic paint. So I started off with just a beige colour all over one side of every piece. I then chose a lilac, it's a dark lilac, and a very pale pink, I think it's called barely pink. So I painted the front and the back with the lilac and the 2 sides with the barely pink. And again, I mean, this paint, I've not used this Hobbycraft paint before. It went on really smoothly, really lovely coverage. I just used quite a wide flat brush, and so the first coat was lovely. For the roof I had some old brown paint from Wilkinson's, and the actual paint itself, I think it's gone off a bit because it's quite lumpy, but it's burnt umber. It worked really well on this. I just painted 1 coat over the roof and then I pressed some bubble wrap into it while the paint was still wet. That lifted off the paint and it's left this such lovely textured tile effect. Going back to the front and the sides then, I continued just building up layers of colour quite randomly, using the dark lilac and the barely pink and some of the burnt umber as well, and I made it look like distressed wood by dragging a cocktail stick through it while it was still wet. So you can see it's just brought up these really lovely textures, and I finished it off just with a glaze of PVA. I haven't got anything more to show you today because I'm going to put it together and decorate it and show you that in a second video. So thank you very much for watching this one. I am going to put all my details on the blog as well, and I will put some more information in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel and then you won't miss any future videos, and if you click the notification bell then you will be informed every time I upload a new video.